Guys, we're launching a new program for CAT non-CAT exam from today, Monday. So in case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers given on the side, or you can join us only for the books, mocks, shortcuts, whichever program you want to join. Just call the numbers given here. For all the reserved category student, you have to, the preparation remains same, the books remain same, everything remains same, but the preparation strategy is going to change. Fine, because 50% of the seats are reserved for the reserved category student. So let me start with the ulta only. We'll talk about the 6 months to CAT plan, but before we go into that, I want to talk about the overview. Cutoff. Apna main advantage is cutoff. If you're from the SC, ST, even OBC, EWS, get 5, 5, 5 and overall 20 marks. 20 question correct, not marks, sorry, correct, attempt, correct question. 5 question correct, mean 15 marks, 15 marks, 15 marks. 20 into 3, 60 marks. Get 60 marks, you are going to get the IM calls. Sorted. Irrespective of your caste, color, creed, you will get the IM call. Granted, मैं लिख के देता हूँ. Provided you have done extremely bad in your academic record, otherwise you are going to get that for all category students. But the target have to be slightly high. 8, 8, 8, 30. If you can get this number, 8, 8, 8, 30 mean 8 question correct, mean 24 marks, 24 marks, 24 marks, and overall 30 into 3, 90 marks, you are going to get majority of the IM calls. Okay, let me rephrase that. SC, ST, PWD. Okay, these three category, SC, ST, PWD, you have to just get 5, 5, 5, you start getting the IM calls. Get me 8, 8, 8, you're getting the main IM calls as well. Fine. The minimum score required is 70 percentile overall to get the calls. 90 percentile plus you'll get the main IM calls. We had a girl 92 percentile got IM Bangalore, IM Ahmedabad all calls. बाद में कन्वर्ट होगा नहीं होगा, अरे बाद में करेंगे ना, GDPI की तैयारी करेंगे, ठीक है. पीपल ब्लेम देयर लोअर कैट स्कोर फॉर देयर कन्वर्ट, कि मेरा परसेंटाइल कम था इसके लिए मेरा कन्वर्ट नहीं हुआ. अब सारे को अंग्रेजी बोलनी नहीं आती तो मुंह नहीं खोल पा रहा वहाँ जाके इंटरव्यू में, देन वाई यू ब्लेमिंग योर कैट परसेंटाइल फॉर दैट. ठीक है, गलती आपकी भी है, आपने इंप्रूव नहीं किया इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे, दैट मेरे पे छोड़ दो, दैट आई टेक केयर ऑफ. तुम बस सारा स्कोर तो ला के दो, पहले कट ऑफ तो क्लियर कर, फर्स्ट क्लियर द कट ऑफ, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग आई टेक केयर ऑफ. फाइन. वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू लॉन्च अ कॉम स्किल्स का प्रोग्राम दिस वीक इन विच द कम्युनिकेशन द स्पोकन इंग्लिश, वेयर आई वांट टू फोकस ऑन द स्पोकन इंग्लिश. या इट्स अ फ्री प्रोग्राम ऑन यूट्यूब, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. So 8, 8, 8. Now for the EWS and the OBC category, your minimum target should be 80 percentile. 70 पे भी call आ जाएगा, but target 80 for new IMs and target 95 plus for the main IMs. Okay, 80, 95. If you want IM ABC, then the cutoff can be go up to 97 percentile depending upon your academic record. So 97 for ABC, 95 for the main IMs, and 80 percentile for the baby IMs and new IMs. That should be the target, that should be a cutoff. Number 1 point. Number 2 point is focus on a weak area. There is lot of negative energy going around कि ये होगा वो होगा. भाई सबका weak area अलग होता है. Engineers का weak area is verbal, non-engineer का weak area is math. So whichever is the weak area, focus on that. Every week we are conducting a lecture on verbal, 1 lecture, and at times 2 lectures as well. Because now we are sitting at home, everybody is doing online, we have a better opportunity to study more. Trust me guys, this is a golden opportunity. If you've been to the classroom program, there used to be hardly 3-4 lectures every week. Now we have lectures 6 days, 7 days the lectures are going on. So in case you want to join the program, you can just call the numbers here. So let's focus on that. Fine, play in the cutoff. Third is make a timetable. Yeah, please make a timetable, because this is what I've seen. The reserved category student, they become complacent. हो जाएगा ना भाई, क्या टेंशन है, कर लेंगे ना, कट ऑफ तो बड़ी कम है. उस चक्कर में आके you don't even run. Tortoise versus hare. Hare have to run fast. Tortoise have to go slow. So at least be a tortoise. At least be a plant. Go slow, 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 and then clear the cutoff. ठीक है, ये complacency नहीं आना चाहिए. If you have weak area, please contact me. Attend our demo lecture or join the program. ठीक है, improve your area, guys. You have to, this is a golden opportunity. Once you get into the MBA college, now cut. There is no link between your reservation and your chances to go further. You will find this on Quora, this and that, सब बकवास है. Every week I'll upload 1 video for the reserved category student, because I've realized, because I have my student and no one was talking about their cutoff. Every website was talking about the open category cutoff. So in fact, I'm the only one who talks about reserved category. In the description box, we have created a Telegram link for the reserved category students. So if you're from the reserved category, please join that Telegram group so that all of us can come together. Okay, so now let's talk about the CAT strategy. Hi guys, the first question that comes to the mind, can I still crack the CAT exam starting from June? So answer to that question is very simple, yes. I'm taking interviews over the last couple of weeks and uploading them one by one, and everyone I'm asking the same question, can you do it? All of them said yes, because they themselves have started in May, June, July, August and converted IIMs. So don't worry about that. Time की कमी नहीं है, time is there. तुम कितना पढ़ने वाले तो अपनी बात कर, ठीक है? That's the main agenda. So today we'll talk about the strategy part, overview of the CAT exam. Yeah, so we got June, July, August, September, October, November. I don't want to focus on that period now. We'll talk about that in the upcoming video. Today I want to focus on the importance of these 2 months. June, July is the most important time. Your CAT ka dates, CAT ka notification will be out by July. Yeah, last it came in June. This year most probably will July will come to know about exact date of the exam, but otherwise most probably exam is going to be on November 28th. Fine. This is going to be the CAT date. So this is what I want my student to follow. कि भाई एक mind में लेके चलो कि this is a date. November 28th is your CAT date. Wherever you study, just put it in front of you. The target date November 28th. So for that, the next 2 months are very very crucial. The main preparation you want to start in August only. तो मेरे से लिखा लो बेटा, हम Indian, we are Indian students. We cannot study 6 months before the exam. We will study, but that seriousness will not be there. So phase 1 is May, June. Phase 2 will be August, September, October. Phase 3 is the last month of November. Target number 1, I want you to complete my syllabus. I want to complete the syllabus for the CAT exam in the next 2 months, June, July. July 31st, I want to complete my syllabus. End of the story. I should know every topic. I should know everything. Will I score marks? No. Agenda is not to score marks. Score आएगा भी नहीं. We need to practice everything 3 times. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Then you start scoring well. Yeah. Till then, please don't expect marks by studying once. We're not IITians. You're not from NIT. If you're from IIT, NIT, superb, great, congrats. If you're not, we need to work hard. We need to work extra hard. I believe in practicing 3 times. May, June, July, August, September, October, last month of November. So first 2 months, I want to complete the syllabus. You can complete by July 31st. But if you're working, you're unable to complete, or depending on how deep you go, it might take up to August as well. So that's fine. There's no problem at all. So at CET King, I want you to complete the orange books by July end. Simple target. Yeah, first target. Then second target is the mocks. I want you to start giving a mocks every 15 days. Though you started the preparation earlier, yes, you can easily do that. Every 15 days, we can give a mock for now. Then August, September, we'll start giving the mock every week. October, November, I want to give 10 mocks every month. So almost 2 mocks every week. We'll increase the number of mocks as we go along. But right now, you have to start giving a baby mock. Okay. Why you have to start giving at CET King, the first 4 mocks are baby mocks. एकदम बेबी, नेम इसका बेबी मॉक है, प्यार से अच्छे से करो, स्टार्ट ASAP. You can wait for another 15 days. Yes, it's totally your wish. You want to wait. You can wait for another 15 days to start giving the mocks. Fine, those who just started off. But those who started off last month or last year for the CAT 21, this is the right time to start giving the baby mocks at least. Okay, so syllabus khatam karo, mocks. Third is the advanced level. Now this is something I want to talk to my students every week. I want to pick up one ghatiya topic: probability, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, mensuration. Yeah, answer is still easy, doable. Functions, graph. If you permit, I want you to take student to that level. हफ्ते में एक दिन torture. Fine. If you understand, superb. If you not understand, no problem. Relax. आराम से बैठो. I am so ना AC चल रहा है, तुम आराम से अपना क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. देखो. So that you get an idea, these kind of questions are going to come in the CAT exam. Fine. While keeping the eyes on the main target, you have to do 8 to 10 question correct, 10 question correct, 10 question correct, overall 30 question correct. Correct. Attempt nahi, correct. Means into 3, 30 marks, 30 marks, 30 marks, 90 marks. That's your magic number. If you cross that number, you are definitely going to get the IIM calls. 888 also you can get the IIM call, but this is the target. I'm setting the target thoda high. 888 is enough to get the IIM call. I'm setting the target slightly higher than that, 10. 10 question correct in quant, 10 question correct out of 26 based on the new pattern, verbal 26, DI logic 24, out of total 76 questions, you have to solve 30 net question correct for the IIM call. Fine. So we'll complete everything now, orange books. Then we go for the pro level, advanced level. August, September, October. Fine. If you permit, I can start ASAP as well, earlier as well. I want to go for the advanced level. Let's start solving. Let's start looking at the CAT question as well. So this is what I've started now. Every day, in every class, I'm going to pick up 2-3 CAT questions just to bring you down. Those who are flying higher about the God, I can solve every question on this earth. Beta ye CAT ka exam hai. It can either take you down or it can even take you up. Oh, this is CAT level. मैं तो ऐसे डर के बैठा हुआ था. So this is something I want to start ASAP. Alright. So June, July, complete your syllabus, complete your basic, those starting off. Those who have done with that, start giving more and more mocks. One mock every 15 days more than sufficient. You can give a weekly mock as well. Those who have left their job for CAT 21, it's okay. This is a high time when you can leave your job as well. I'll make a dedicated video for that as well. Yes, you can leave your job. This is the right time to leave your job and to start study full time. But because the problem is, if you resign today, you will be free by August. August, September, October, we can easily save and study for the next 3 months, last 3 months. Okay, start off that. I want to complete these 2 months when everybody is sleeping, literally sleeping. Trust me guys, half of the people don't even know whether they're going to give a CAT exam or not. Trust me, people are not even aware of CAT exam. They will become audience for the CAT exam the moment months will pass. August is a peak time. July, August mein aake public, what to do in my life? Let's give MBA, let's go for MBA, let's give the CAT exam. It happens, this happens. Fine. So in case you want to join our program, you can call the numbers given in the description box. So I'm keeping Mondays, we are taking verbal demo lecture, Wednesday, DI logic, and Fridays quant. So in case you want to attend a demo lecture on any of this topic, please call the numbers given here so that my team can help you out with that demo class, so that you understand how we teach, and then accordingly you can take your call whether you want to join or not to join. Alright, so numbers are given here, please call them. All the best. Hi guys, at CET King we're launching our online program. So in case you want to join our program, just call us on any of the numbers given here to join the program. We're also conducting our demo lecture this Friday, that is today we have a demo lecture from 6 to 7 p.m. Yeah, otherwise Monday we're launching our new program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given here.